What should I do if I am unable to see the live view or the playback? If you are unable to see the live view or the playback, below are some troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue for you. Try switching the network your phone connects to, for example, using phone data or, if your router is dual band, using 5G Wi-Fi. Check your camera's internet connection. Make sure that your camera has a stable internet connection with sufficient bandwidth, and we recommend an average upload speed of 2 megabits per second or better. To check the speed, you can stand by your EZVIZ device, connect your mobile phone to your Wi-Fi and visit www.speedtest.net to test. If your network is not good or stable, you can try lowering the definition by going to the live view page on the EZVIZ app and selecting a lower definition. You can also use the LAN live view method to check if it can solve the problem. Please connect your mobile phone to the same Wi-Fi as your camera. Tap the profile icon on the top left of EZVIZ app. Tap Settings to find LAN live view. Then tap Start Scanning and enter the device verification code. If you are still experiencing live view or playback issues on your Wi-Fi network, you can also try changing the channel settings on your router. Removing some devices you rarely use from your router to ensure sufficient bandwidth, or trying a different network. If the above 3 methods do not work, please restart your device by unplugging your camera from the power source and plugging it back in after a minute or two. Alternatively, you can try resetting your camera by pressing and holding the reset button on the camera for about 10 seconds and reconfiguring your camera. This may help resolve any issues. If the issue persists after following the above steps and you need additional assistance, feel free to contact support team by emailing at support@ezvizlife.com. Our team love to help.